In the annals of history, few names are as synonymous with finger-licking goodness as that of Colonel Harlan David Sanders. Yet, this icon of the culinary world, the man behind the world-renowned Kentucky Fried Chicken, had a career path that was anything but linear. Sanders' journey began in rural Indiana, where he spent his formative years working as a farmhand. By the tender age of 16, he had transitioned to the urban hustle, driving streetcars in New Albany, Indiana. His career saw him don many hats, from stoking steam engines and tending to horses in Cuba, to assisting blacksmiths and selling insurance. Amidst the chaos, Sanders managed to complete a correspondence program from LaSalle Extension University, a testament to his tenacity and drive. At one point, Sanders found himself practicing law in Little Rock. However, this chapter of his life ended abruptly when he engaged in a courtroom brawl with a client. From the courtroom to the railroad, Sanders then worked as a laborer for the Pennsylvania Railroad. His fiery spirit led him to a brief stint selling insurance for Prudential Life Insurance Company, a job he lost due to insubordination. In a surprising turn of events, Sanders formed his own ferry boat company, transporting passengers across the Ohio River. This venture marked his first taste of business success. He later sold the company to fund a new venture manufacturing acetylene lamps, a business that was short-lived due to the introduction of electric lamps by Delco. Sanders' career took him next to Kentucky, where he sold tires for the Michelin Tire Company. When the factory closed, he managed a gas station, which unfortunately folded in the wake of the Great Depression. Undeterred, Sanders moved to a new gas station in Corbin, Kentucky, where he began serving chicken and other meat dishes to customers. The response was overwhelmingly positive, enabling him to buy a motel in Asheville, North Carolina, which he transformed into a 140-seat restaurant. At the age of 50, Sanders created his first secret recipe for cooking chicken inside a pressure fryer. 12 years later, he franchised his first Kentucky Fried Chicken restaurant in Salt Lake City, Utah. However, the tides turned again, and by age 65, Sanders found himself with meager savings and relying on his Social Security check. Undeterred, he embarked on a mission to spread his KFC brand, traveling across America with his second wife, Claudia. Often sleeping in his car, Sanders personally demonstrated his chicken cooking technique to potential franchisees. In summary, the career of Colonel Harlan David Sanders was a vivid tapestry of trials, tribulations, and triumphs. From humble beginnings as a farmhand to creating a global fast food empire, his journey serves as a testament to the power of resilience, determination, and an unwavering belief in oneself.